The 1850s marked the beginning of a devastating period for Iceland. A perfect storm of volcanic activity, climatic shifts, and economic hardship forced thousands to abandon their ancestral homes. While the 1875 eruption of Askja is often cited as the primary catalyst for the largest wave of migration, the groundwork for this exodus was laid by the environmental instability of the mid-19th century. Iceland's geology is defined by the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, making it one of the most volcanically active places on Earth. In the mid-1800s, a series of smaller eruptions culminated in the catastrophic 1875 Askja event. Eruptions blanketed the eastern fjords in thick layers of volcanic ash. This killed the vegetation, making it impossible for livestock to graze. Even when ash didn't bury the land, volcanic gases poisoned the water and grass. Fluorosis caused the teeth and bones of sheep and cattle to crumble, leading to mass livestock die-offs. The volcanic activity coincided with a period of global cooling, often referred to as the Little Ice Age. During the 1850s and 60s, heavy drift ice often locked the northern and eastern coasts of Iceland. This lowered the ambient temperature significantly, shortened the growing season, and prevented fishing boats from leaving the harbors. With the hay crop failing and the livestock dying, Iceland faced severe food shortages. For a population that relied almost entirely on sheep farming and subsistence fishing, there was no safety net. At the time, Iceland was under Danish rule. The trade monopoly and rigid social structures made it difficult for peasants to adapt. The Væstaband system required landless people to be employed by a landowner. As the land failed, the number of paupers increased, and the social system began to buckle under the weight of the displaced population. Many farmers fell into deep debt trying to maintain their land during the years of bad weather, making the prospect of a fresh start in a new country more appealing. News of the Homestead Act in the United States and similar land grants in Canada reached Iceland via newspapers and America letters from early pioneers. The promise of 160 acres of fertile, ash-free soil was an unimaginable luxury to an Icelandic farmer, struggling with a few rocky acres of tundra. By the 1870s, a dedicated colony known as Nýja Ísland was established on the shores of Lake Winnipeg in Manitoba, Canada. This provided a cultural destination where Icelanders could preserve their language and traditions. The migration was so significant that it is estimated nearly 20% to 25% of the Icelandic population moved to North America. Between 1870 and 1914, what began with the environmental stresses of the 1850s ended in a permanent shift in the Icelandic global footprint, leaving